Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial Race, and in this video I'm going to show you how this update will work. So for working that, let's create a function called public function update. Then we need to write here udata, then fname, similarly lname, email, lname, and here lname, then here will be email, also email here. Now we need to pass here $, we need to pass here $s, this registration model that update user, then this udata will go there, and then post id, and everything is, if everything is fine, then it will return to registration home page. So now we need to create this function update user into our model file. So here public function update user, then data, and also we need to get here id as well, because we require two things, the data and id. So this id will come here, then it will find the registration id first, and then real updation will take place here. It will check which id needs to be updated, which record. Then once the record is identified, then ultimately the updation work will take place here. So now let's try like this. So Rajneesh Kumar, okay, now update it. Once again there is spelling mistake here, like this, so not this one here, registration T is missing. So after updating, so go to here, but it not got updated, so let's check. Rajneesh Kumar will update, so somehow it is not updating. Let's check where the mistake. Post ID, fname, lname, email, udata, station model, update user. This update user is here. Let's print our here data, but before let's check one thing first, whether this id is coming or not. Okay, let's come in this here, echo $, undefined index id. So somehow id is not going there, it looks like. Okay, I got it. So in edit section, actually we need to pass here id. We are not passing here id, so we will have to write here input type hidden, the name equal to id, and then value equals to id. Now it should work, because there was no field called id here in this field. Let's go to here, then it should work. So id is 2, that means it is passing perfectly here. Now let's get back to here and just comment out this one, and just comment this one. Now let's try refreshing it, and you can see the name has changed. Here Kiran Kumar. There you can see the updation is taking place perfectly. So that's it, guys. We have completed here this insert. Here if you add user, and you can see it is adding, and then if you want to edit it, then we can edit this also, and if you want to delete this, then press delete, the data is deleted. So that's it. This CRUD operation is complete. So hope you understand it like this. If you like, then don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and press bell button. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.